guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited to share our first sneak peek for our December box of the month. Our box of the month is a beautiful card making kit. Comes with 3 stamp sets, 2 paper pads, and 2 coordinating packs of ephemera. For the next 5 days, I'm sharing a sneak peek each day leading up to release day on December 1st. The box goes live at 9 a.m. Central Time. At 9 a.m. Central Time is when you can head on over to the shop and subscribe to your box of the month if you're not already a subscriber. So today's stamp set is called XOXO. It is a super adorable stamp set. I love this cute little girl. There's some wonderful sentiments in here. Hugs, hello friend, love, kiss me, my love, XOXO, and be my Valentine. So you can not only use this for Valentine's Day, but also as a friendship card, or just an everyday card with hello friend, and then this really cute girl. Can be colored up any occasion you want. So really cute set, and there's some great supporting stamps in here, like this really cute heart. It's on a string. It looks like you can hang it on a door or something like that, or on a window. And then we have a little border of hearts and then a solid heart. So I'm going to paper piece her dress and bow. I think that would be really fun. I'm going to use a sheet of the paper collection that Teresa will be sharing tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time. So be sure to come back tomorrow to check out what else is in the box of the month for December. So when you paper piece, you're going to want to stamp your image down on your white coloring cardstock, and then you're going to stamp it down again on your pattern paper. Okay, there's our cute little image. And now I'm going to stamp her out again on the pattern paper. You really need to only stamp her bow and dress. So I'll go ahead and stamp that twice. And now we can cut the parts out that we want to paper piece. I'm going to cut right on the outer edge of my black line. You can take your memento marker and go over and fix any of those mistakes you made. If any white is showing, this really cleans up your fussy cutting work. Okay, so there's our little dress. It's just going to pop right over the top there. And I'm going to cut out the bow. And I was thinking about maybe cutting the shoes out. But I think I'll just color it. I think it'll be a lot faster just to color those shoes. They're real tiny. So let's do the bow. I'm going to color the rest off camera, and then I'll cut her out and put together the card. Here are the Copic colors that I used to color the image. And now we can just add a little bit of glue to the back. And we'll just glue that right into place. Okay, after gluing on our little bow and dress, I think she looks adorable. Okay, so I cut a couple of strips here. I'm going to add it to this base. And I don't really have a pink that matches perfectly, but I thought this pink matched good enough. It's a nice pink. I like this pink color. It's like a raspberry pink, I think. I'm going to add this gold to the edge. So if you're new to the channel, we have a box of the month subscription along with our paper pad club and our stamp and die of the month. You can join the club if you want to get November's designs. There are some spots left for November. You can grab those today if you wish. And then Your next box will ship 30 days from the date you purchase, unless you contact me and let me know you want your December box sooner. Otherwise, you can purchase on December 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. If you subscribe, you get 18% off your subscription, which is an amazing deal. You do get an exclusive discount to the shop when you are a subscriber. And I'm going to finish this off with a peel-off strip on the end. And I'm going to do a pink that matches her dress. And I'm going to add my circle to the center. We're going to stamp a sentiment right here. We're going to stamp out the hugs. Okay, I've positioned my sentiment where I want it. Okay, so let's glue this right in the center. Our little girl will go right there. All right, I'm going to add a few little sequins. Oh, let me paste my girl down first. All right, so there is the cute card. I hope you guys enjoyed today's sneak peek. Meet Teresa back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time. She will share the paper pad and ephemera collection that will be in your box of the month. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.